Hey, this is Mark Gupp from Keller Williams Realty, and it is a beautiful October day, and I'm at Willard Beach, just a couple blocks up from my newest listing coming on at 464 Preble Street, right on the corner of Preble Street and Willard Beach. Let's go take a look. I think you're going to really be impressed. So you can see we just came up from the beach right down the street here, and we are on the corner of Willard and Preble Street, and I thought we would walk around out back and then we'll head inside. So you've got some nice space for gardening here. Good sized yard. And the property line is right around this fence area here. And you have a deck out here. This house is going to need some attention, okay? Although the location is pretty amazing and the potential is pretty amazing. So let's walk around out front and take a look. So we've got this nice little entry space here. And right on the corner here, at one time, this used to be a general store. So I think there's some creative uses for that space. It all depends on what someone wants to do. But in the meantime, let's head on in. So as we come in, you enter right into the living room, which is pretty nice. You've got a wood-burning fireplace. This has not been used in quite a while. This space to the right here would take you down right into that space if you wanted to open this area up. So just keep that in mind. As we walk into the hallway here, you've got a kitchen out back, overlooks the backyard. So again, someone is going to likely want to do some cosmetic changes in time. Doesn't have to do it. You don't have to do it immediately, but you certainly could if you wanted. Nice skylight, good lighting in here. The basement, we're not going to go down to the basement, but it is right over there. And you have a dining room space here. And you also have a potential for a first floor bedroom or home office, whatever you're looking for. It does have a closet. I'm not going to open that up. It's a decent sized closet. And why don't we head upstairs? So at the top of the stairs, you have this bedroom here. So you easily fit a twin or double size bed in here. And plenty of storage. Got your bookshelves, storage closets. And then the full bathroom is in here. Someone will likely need to update this bathroom, okay? And you have this other bedroom here. A bed would go really nicely between these two windows. Plenty of closet space. And I'd like to show you that extra bonus space that could be used as, make a big family room if you wanted. Maybe you have a kid you want them to have a little private space there or do whatever you want. So why don't we head downstairs? So, and this is the bonus space that I mentioned. So I got to come outside at this point in time to get in here. But you have a little kitchenette area and a 3/4 bath or with a bath, got the stand-up shower, toilet, and sink. And they created a little loft area. If this were my house, I would do something a little different. You might as well, or maybe you'd choose to keep it and work with what's here. But there's certainly some great potential. So again, this house is coming on the market this week. Please give me a call. My name is Mark Gupp. My phone number is 207-232-6127. If you're working with a buyer agent, give them a call. And we'd love to see you and help you get close to Willard Beach. Thanks for watching.